Starting a YouTube channel as a complete beginner can be daunting, complex, and even stressful, so finding the right information to guide you through this process is key. If you intend to pursue YouTube or content creation seriously, then you need to not just upload videos, but to upload them properly and correctly. This will help you get your content to the right audience, increase visibility, and your chances of growing on YouTube. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the process of uploading your very first video to your YouTube channel. In my last video, I go through all the steps you need to follow to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Feel free to go back and check it out if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, because you need to have a YouTube channel in the first place before you can start to upload videos to YouTube. I'm going to share some insightful tips and tricks to help you succeed on your YouTube journey throughout this video, so make sure to watch to the very end so you don't miss out on any. Let's begin. I'm going to break this tutorial into 3 different steps. Step 1 will be preparation. In step 2, I will show you the actual upload process. And lastly, step 3 will be what you need to do once your video is live on YouTube. Basically, in this step, I will be showing settings you need to activate and simple tricks that will help you get views and subscribers to your channel. Before you upload your video, you have to make sure that it's ready for upload. To begin with, you need to have filmed a good quality video with good audio. This will give your audience a good viewer experience. To get a good quality video, you can film using either a camera or phone with a good camera. For audio, you can get yourself a simple microphone if you have the resources for it. If you don't, it's also okay, just make sure you are audible enough and clear when recording. File format. The most commonly used video formats are MP4, MOV, and AVI. Check your editing software's export settings to ensure compatibility. Resolution and frame. Aim for a minimum of 720 lines progressive HD resolution. High resolutions like 1080 lines progressive HD are great but give you files that are bigger in size, so keep that in mind. The standard frame rate is 30 frames per second, but 60 frames per second can provide smoother motion for certain video types like gaming. For now though, you don't have to worry yourself much with these complex jargons as you'll learn them as you go along. Let's go to step 2, which is uploading your video. Make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. In the top right corner, click on your channel icon. Go to your channel. Click on your channel icon. Scroll down to the Creator Studio. Inside your YouTube Studio, this is what your channel dashboard looks like. Click on the Create button and select Upload Video. Navigate to your video file stored on your device and open it. Alternatively, you can select Upload File from your channel dashboard and navigate to your video file from there. Once you've opened your file, YouTube will automatically start processing your video. As your video is uploading, you can go on to fill in your video details. I'm going to be using this random video about how to tie a tie as an example to illustrate this whole process. You need to fill these details in carefully because it's this information that helps YouTube show your video to the right audience. Let's go to the title. You need to keep your title very simple and descriptive. Include keywords that will help people find your video through YouTube search. For our example video, I'm going to title it, How to Tie a Tie. It is a good example of a phrase someone might actually type into the YouTube search bar. For the description, write something captivating, clearly telling your audience what to expect from your video. It is also important to include a call to action encouraging your viewers to subscribe, like, and comment on your videos. Encourage your viewers to write any questions they may have about the things you talked about in your video in the comments section. Make sure you actually do answer those questions once they start coming up in your comments section. This will help you gain your viewers' trust, and this way you will be able to provide real value through your videos. Next will be your thumbnail. This is the video image viewers see when they are scrolling through YouTube. It is your video's first impression, so make it count. But keep in mind that you can only upload a custom thumbnail or a thumbnail you designed yourself if you verified your YouTube account. YouTube will ask you to verify your account using your phone number if you try to upload a custom thumbnail for the first time. That being said, you can design a simple thumbnail using any design software of your choice. Create a high-quality, eye-catching thumbnail that accurately shows people what your video is about. But that doesn't mean something complicated though. Make sure to watch my full video about how to design a simple but catchy thumbnail. If you were unable to verify your account for some reason, don't worry. You can still use any of the thumbnails suggested by YouTube from different clips of your video. Choose one that describes your video content most accurately. Under Audience, you'll be asked if your video is made for kids or not. Select whichever option is most relevant to your video. Next will be Visibility. You will find various options under Visibility. If you choose Public, it means that anybody on YouTube is able to find and watch your video. If you are looking to grow an audience on YouTube, choose this option. If you choose Private, it means that your video can only be watched by the people you invite to watch it. You can also use this option if you are not yet ready to release your video to the public yet. This way only you can access it, but don't forget to change it to public once you are ready, because if it stays private, then people won't be able to search and find it on YouTube. If you choose Unlisted, it means that your video will not come up in search results or on your channel, but people can be able to watch it through a special link you provide to them. If you finished setting up all the details on your video and you want people to be able to access and watch it, just select Public and your video will go live immediately after uploading. You can also schedule your video to go live on a specific date. Just select Schedule. Select Day. Then set time. Let's now go to Step 3, which is Optimization. In this step, we will look at tags, category, captions, and subtitles. You will find them under More. Number 1, Tags. Fill this section in with relevant keywords to help people discover your video through YouTube search. Just think about terms and phrases people might use to find videos like yours. For my video, I would use tags like How to tie a tie for beginners, easy tie knot, and 4 in hand. Number 2 is category. Choose the most fitting category for your video content. This helps YouTube recommend your video to viewers interested in similar content. For a video like How to tie a tie, I would probably choose How to in Style under People and Blogs. Choose whatever suits you best. Click Next. Next is going to be Captions and Subtitles. This section is optional. Make your video accessible to a wider audience by adding captions and subtitles. You can upload your own captions or use YouTube automatic captioning. Keep in mind that it might require editing, as YouTube captioning can sometimes make mistakes. Captions and subtitles are especially helpful for viewers who are deaf, non-native speakers, or people watching in a noisy environment. To add subtitles, go to Video Elements and click Add. To add captions, go to the Captions section. You can either upload captions from your device or type them in this section. You will be able to see your captions appear on your video as you type them in. Once you have carefully filled in all the sections, your video is ready and you can go on to click Publish for it to go live. The sections we have gone through in this video are the most important. The rest you'll learn as you go along. Now on to our bonus tips. Tip number 1, engage with your audience. Uploading your video is only the beginning. You need to keep engaging with your audience after your video has gone live. You can do this through responding to their comments. Take time to read and respond to comments once they start to come in. This shows your viewers that you care about their feedback and encourages a two-way conversation. It helps you to understand what kind of content your viewers like to see more of on your channel. Tip number 2, promote your video. If you are on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, share your video to reach a wider audience beyond YouTube. Let your followers know you've uploaded a new video and encourage them to check it out and subscribe to your channel. Tip number 3. Analyze your performance. Once your video has started gaining some traction, has views, likes, shares, and people have commented on it, then you can start to track its performance and progress in your analytics in your YouTube studio. Here you will be able to see who watches your videos, at what time they watch, where they watch from, how long they watch your videos for, and their age range. This information will help you to plan well for future videos. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment for more educational videos like these. See you in my next video.